So my Rotimatic has stopped working all of a sudden and it is not powering up. What happened was I connected it and gave it the command for a couple of rotis and it started warming up. I think within 1 or 2 minutes of that, the screen went dark and it stopped responding to any of the commands. So what I did was try to connect it to different outlets, check that the power cable is connected properly, remove the cable for 10 minutes and then connected it back, but nothing. Normally when it is working fine, we used to see a red light from here inside. Now I'm not seeing that. Also, when it was working fine, whenever we removed the cable and connected it back, we would hear a click as if a relay has been turned on, and then it would start working, but not anymore. So now it has been disconnected for almost 1 hour. I'll try to do it again and I'll remain silent so that maybe we can hear some clicking or the light again. So let's see. This outlet is working, as you can see, with this light. So let me try again. Nothing. And that red light is also not working. I don't need to press this switch because it's a capacitive switch. So if it were working, just my touch would turn it on. Nothing. Since that light is not turning on, seems like the power is not coming in. Maybe a fuse has blown or something else has happened. So this Rotimatic is less than 2 years old. I have put up a lot of reviews. It has been working fine up till now. Now this problem has come. I'll try to get in touch with the helpline and see what they suggest. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.